What's up to all the people out there? I want to say happy Tuesday. Today is January 5th. Happy New Year to all you beautiful, wonderful, awesome men, women, and children out there. I'm gonna give a big shout out to all of our subscribers, which is not that much right now. Hopefully that can change. Um, I just got a box, Tackle Warehouse. You can see that, and I've ordered lots of stuff from Tackle Warehouse, but today I got my sticker. Yeah, they finally sent me a sticker. So let's get into what came in that box. I was so stoked when I got the email that said your package was delivered. Already knew what it was. I was like, yes. So let's get into it. I got 3, not 1, not 2, but 3. I had to get 3. The Mega Bass Vision 110 plus 2. The deep diving suspended jerkbait. Love it. Love it. Oh man, I cannot wait to get to the lake and get these bad boys in there. This one right here is the Mega Bass Sexy Shad. It's the Mega Bass Sexy Shad. This one right here is Twilight Chartreuse and Black. Twilight Chartreuse and Black. And the last one is, I guess, Waking Reaction. Waking Reaction. Look at that blue, that pink. That little chartreuse right there. The pink. Got the blue right there. Woo. I'm showing y'all why it's in the box. How rude of me. Let's take it out the box. See what this looks like. That looks awesome. Look at that paint scheme. That is beautiful. Oh my goodness. That paint scheme is awesome. I love it. Got the chartreuse on the bottom. Look at that. Wow. Look at those eyes on there. Oh man, I love that. No, I got them today. Guess where I'll be tomorrow? In the cold. The cold doesn't matter to me. You know, I've been working outside since like 2006. More environmental, just mostly environmental work. Some construction, but more environmental. But look at that. Look at that paint scheme. Wow. Oh man. These hooks, look at that. These hooks is awesome. Look at that. Look how sharp these are. Yeah. Yeah. I can't wait to get out there and get these in the water. And these dive 25 feet. Wow, these dive all the way up to the deepest depth is 25 feet. Ooh. Look at that. Wow. That is freaking great. Look at that. Oh man. Look at that. The hooks are so sharp. They getting stuck into everything. And it's just touching it. I like the bend of these hooks. Wow, that's awesome. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's fire right there. That's fire. That's flames right there. Wow. Well, this is my first unboxing video, y'all. So, show me some love. Don't kill my video, criticize it too much. Like I said, this is my first unboxing. I'm not gonna say hopefully. I know as I go on and on and on, and you know, prayerfully, my channel, my subscribers grow, and I learn more and more and more. I can bring you much better content. Not only in the garage, not only on the bank, but also in the boat. So, stay tuned. Keep tuning in. Keep your eyes open. And we're going to do what we got to do. Tight lines. Peace.